Alright, so I'm just coming in from a break, and here's the hallway. It's the hallway for work. This is the studio for 790. Maybe a better tour after. Control room. Walk down the hall. Here's room. Hey, all, how you doing? Come in. This is the hub for 6:30. Next desk.
I suggest he's not going to be invited to the White House briefing.
Production studio.
The economy is a big issue of concern for folks. Unemployment.
Waiting to record a show at 10 o'clock that I have to do on Friday nights. This is where I spend my time.
And so forth. Sometimes maybe they think under color of state business and that you're out of touch, that you don't really know what they're experiencing.
Alright, so just getting in, and I've got my birthday present from Mommy to read. The one that I got before, the one from Mommy that I haven't read. Ooh. So I'm a little excited about that. Here's the studio. It's the cameras. Take it off the pull back, pull forward, pull back, and I can put two, take two off the live set as well. Sorry about that. Switch it over here, and then oh, it's already swung around for me. So, I'm gonna do this. Hi, Ryder! Hi, Nev, hi, Mommy! Alright. Good thing we're not streaming live, huh? Like that. There's the computer where I had a tool on. And the boy playing the famous Dr. Michael Savage. Holding all my comments to myself. My Dr. Pepper for the night. And I guess that's it. Alright, later.